everyone, my name is Louise Bailey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Edale. I'd like to welcome you today to the Daily Bailey, which is a factory tour here at Edale to show you which machines we've got going through manufacture. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go. Okay, so this press here, we've got an FL3 430 wide 10 colour press. This machine's actually going out to Vietnam in the next few weeks. As you can see, this press is a full UV. We have a rail system that goes along the full length of the press with a turn bar and a DLAM-RELAM module. We also have on here an easy die and a full rotary die, which I will show you along here. We have this particular customer has opted for a re-register rail-mounted lamination module, and we also have a screen module that's going to be positioned on the press, which is not quite there yet, and a delivery table. So that's currently in manufacture. So as you can see, it's also got our Easy Reg camera, which is an autonomous print register control camera, which is based here, down here, along the bottom of the press. And we have also have our Easy Die, which is a quick change die, so it allows you to change the die in less than 60 seconds. And we also have a full rotary die, a BST camera, and a rewind. We've also got the break-free rewind as well. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to have more information, you can contact info@edale.com, or you can email myself, louise@edale.com. And if you'd like to join us tomorrow, there'll be more Daily Bailey around the factory. See you soon.